Okay, that move that you're about to unlock is called the Mayweather Pass. It comes from the jump rope world, jump rope or skipping rope. But basically the move is quite a simple move. You're basically swinging the rope from your, let's say if it's an overhand swing on my right hand right now, I'm going to my left side, back to my right, and then now I'm going to go under my left knee. So whichever hand I'm passing to, that knee is the one that comes up. So I'm not going to pass to my left hand by lifting up my right leg. I'm going to pass to my left hand by lifting up my left knee. So just to kind of remember the counts. So let's say if I'm overhand on my right side, I go left, right, left leg comes up, right? And then if I'm passing back to my right, I go right, left, right leg comes up. So that is the main movement. You can have more swings on either side, that's fine, but ideally you want to tighten it up to one swing each. So left, right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, right? If you're finding it a bit hard to count along as left, right, left, an easier way of just thinking of it is just say opposite, same side, opposite, and that at the time when you do opposite, your second opposite, your opposite leg comes up, right? So opposite, same, opposite, opposite, same, opposite. So that's the main movement. A few other key things to watch out for when you do this. When you swing and when you start to lift your leg up, a few key things that will make it look a bit better is not to lift or kick up like this with a straight or a straighter knee. Try to bend your knee a bit. Second thing is when you pass, basically all you're really doing is you're just placing the rope plop into your hand at the bottom here like this, all right? So you bring the rope, it's gonna come down to the other side. So when it's coming down, you lift up your leg, and then it's gonna go under and straight into your hand, and you just grab it between your thumb and your fingers like this. So you just place it, and it comes up. And over here, same thing. When you bring it back to the other side, you just put it straight into your hand like this. So that's basically the movement. Some other things that will help you look a bit better when you do this is to make sure that you have loose legs. Don't stand stiff and straight, and don't just move your hands without twisting your body and just robotically do this. Make sure that you kind of loosen up your body a bit, twist your body, and then you can get into the movement a bit more.